Welcome back. In this video, we see the tech specs and features of Lenovo ThinkBook 16-inch laptop. Model number of the laptop is 21MWA0BSIN. Let us see the features. This laptop model comes with AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU, 16-inch display screen, Full HD plus 1920 by 1200 resolution, IPS panel, low blue light certified, anti-glare display coating, 1080 pixel Full HD camera, Dolby audio output, camera privacy shutter, 300 nits for brightness supported, military grade tested, Kensington Nano security lock slot for physical security. CPU of the laptop is AMD Ryzen 7 7535HS, base clock speed is 3.3 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.55 GHz with AMD Max Boost. CPU has 6 cores, 12 threads with 16 MB L3 cache. To process graphics, this laptop model comes with AMD integrated GPU engine, which is called AMD Radeon 660M, which has dedicated 6 GPU cores to process graphics. Memory installed is 16GB DDR5 4800MHz memory module. Transfer rate supported is 4800 million transfer per second. This memory supports dual channel. Storage installed is 512GB Gen 4 NVMe SSD drive. Interface type is 2280. There is also SD card reader slot for external storage connection. Display of the laptop is 16-inch display screen, Full HD plus 1920 by 1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, narrow bezel, IPS panel, anti-glare display coating, 90% screen to body ratio, 1000:1 contrast ratio, low blue light certified, 45% NTSC color gamut, 300 nits for brightness, and 60 Hz refresh rate supported. Camera of the laptop is Full HD 1080 pixel camera with fixed focus, dual array digital microphones, smart noise cancellation to control background noise, manual camera shutter for webcam privacy. For audio output, there are two 2-watt stereo speakers, supports high definition audio with Dolby audio output. For network connection, this laptop has Realtek wireless LAN card chipset which support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 version. We can also use RJ45 for wired connection. Let us see the ports available on this laptop model. On the left, there is one USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 10Gbps speed port which support data transfer, power delivery, display, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 always on port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C USB 4 40Gbps speed port, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. On the right, there is one Kensington Nano security lock slot for physical security, one Gigabit Ethernet port, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 5Gbps speed port, one SD card reader slot to connect external storage. For input and keyboard, this laptop has precision touchpad, multi-touch touchpad, 6-row ergonomic spill-resistant keyboard, dedicated Copilot key, and dedicated numeric keypad, multimedia function keys, backlit with white LED lighting, fingerprint reader. Battery of the laptop is 45 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. With Lenovo Rapid Charge Pro, we can charge the laptop battery to 50% in 30 minutes, approximate 13 hours of battery life when the battery is fully charged. Power adapter is 65 watt USB Type-C 3-pin AC adapter. Input voltage is 100 volt to 240 volt AC. Security features include firmware trusted platform module, fingerprint reader for Windows Allo, Kensington Nano security lock slot for physical security, camera privacy shutter for webcam privacy, mic mute key. We can also set up administrator password, hard disk password, power on password inside the BIOS. Operating system bundled is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. Lenovo recommends Windows 11 Professional for Business. Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime subscription is included. Body of the laptop is aluminum body, anodized with sandblasting. Weight of the laptop is 1.15 kilograms and 14.3 mm thin. This laptop is tested for US military standard. Color of the laptop is silver color. Let us see the upgrade options available for this laptop model. There are two SODIMM slots available. We can install 32 GB in each of the slot to make 64 GB memory in total. For storage, there are two M.2 2280 slot available. We can install 2 TB in each of the slot. There is also SD card reader slot available to connect external storage if required. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year courier or carry-in service or 2 year courier or carry-in service. We can also register for Premium Care Plus or Total Protection. In the box, we get Lenovo ThinkBook 16-inch laptop, 65-watt USB Type-C 3-pin AC adapter, user manual. Offer included Microsoft Office Home 2024, which is pre-installed. This Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7 laptop is a sleek business laptop that balances performance, portability, and modern design for professionals and students. This laptop delivers strong multitasking capabilities and efficient performance for demanding workloads.